Hello, I'm testing Range2Image addon. It is currently unpublished as an addon, and this demonstration will show also script verification process. When I run it first time, I click on it, and I need to verify. And here finally I see the screen with all permissions needed. I can see three permissions here. First of all, I need an access to Google Drive files. This is because I create a folder and image file in Google Drive. Next, see and edit Google Sheets. It is only for one purpose, to get our selection, because we convert this selection into image with this add-on. And thirdly, display third-party web content. This is for our HTML form, and also some JavaScript which converts your range into final image. So I'll click allow, and this will authorize the add-on. And next, when I run this again, I can finally see the result. Let's see how it works. So first, it creates an image, and then it's loading it because the image was in the process, and now I have this image. I can click this URL, and you will see the rendered image here. And also I have this image preview, and you also may right click on it and save it as picture on your computer, or save it into your computer memory, so you can use this as image later. And that's it. Thank you for watching.